Alright. Good morning, guys. It is Monday, the 22nd of September, and we are looking at ES and NQ this morning. So we made all-time highs on both NQ and ES. Started the pullback on from this price point, 67.31.50, and we started the retracement on NQ at 24,888.50. So those are our new highs for new highest pricing. Okay, what we had was this 4-hour impulse right here, had this breakup structure. I drew out the breakout liquidity last Thursday, which allowed me to take ES to all-time highs. But we still have all these discounted price, and we also have this to clear. If we do, either we come into discounted pricing, continue higher, or we clear, see if we can get confirmation to go higher. But most likely, if we clear, we might target all of this shit, right? All of this here. So we could be seeing some downward movement for the Nasdaq or the S&P. Same with the Nasdaq. I'm favoriting shorts because we had this push on the M15. Had this change of character, but we came into this zone right here, just giving us that bullish reaction. But we have this entire discounted pricing here. Here on NQ. This is the 50%, easily lines up with this inefficiency. Yeah, we haven't left any other inefficiency, so I'm looking to either come fill this one right here, or order block, or clear this area in general. If you look at the M15, we just cleared the breakout liquidity. We are coming into discounted pricing of this leg. I'm gonna see if I can find a M1 shift, and I'm gonna try to enter off of that. Let's just watch what we do here in this entire space here in the next 2 hours. We already got the breakout liquidity on ES, so I'm not really favoriting shorts on that right now. Here we still have the breakout liquidity to this impulse still intact. Thursday we came in, filled this, and continued higher. That's 1 to 4 on the all-time highs. I didn't take that here because on ES, if you're looking where this is, it broke the breakout liquidity here, and then continued up. So I was more inclined to take the longs on ES than S&P. Okay, that's normal. On ES instead of NQ. But yeah, let's keep monitoring this. That's a lot of fucking volume. Straight at 8 o'clock, huh? 8:30. Did we just hit 8:30? 3 minutes. The Dow Jones is down on, what did that say? Can't even find that shit now. S&P is up 0.49, Dow Jones is up, DIJ is down 0.45. Nasdaq is up 0.01. Gold is rallying. The oil is rallying from Thursday. We all made that move on Thursday, huh? Let me see if my analysis was on point here. So we disregarded the breakout liquidity and created the new higher high from discounted pricing. Did we sweep that? That's crazy. And all the discounted price. Okay. Could find something at 15. Two leg came in. It's kind of hard to catch these within that time window. I don't think we could have caught anything here. Yeah, this didn't lead to that two leg up structure. One leg, I'm gonna see the break of this. Came back, what time? 8:50 p.m. that timing. That's just gold. And then gold here. Kept coming back to discounted price. Pull back higher, making higher highs and higher lows. Interesting. Nothing for me. Gold. Yeah, forget about that. NQ is being monitored on the 1 minute. Looking for some shorts. We just took out the breakout liquidity. Either we get our confirmation within the premium pricing of that 15-minute leg, or we clear the highs. And those are new all-time highs, by the way. You know, are we gonna make back-to-back all-time highs week after week? This made the same. This started the retracement. Oh man. Market closed there yesterday, or on Friday. Resumed Sunday 5 p.m. Since 5 p.m. Sunday, we've been bearish. That's it. Still monitoring this on the 1 minute. Get down on the lower time frames on ES. Yeah, ES is back here. That's interesting. This is a breakout. Don't matter. Seeing this as liquidity cleared down. Same with here. This made the new all-time highs. Can I consider this a break? 4 hour just isn't clear enough on NQ. Can't really consider this a push now, can I? Okay. Let's just consider it. Let's just consider it. Started that in time. Yeah, see, I can't consider it a breakout structure if we didn't clear the breakout liquidity. But let's see if I can call it on. And we did not break above on ES, so I'm not classifying that as a push, to be honest with you. Can we get? What can we get? What can we get? We get some sort of confirmation. Covering the highs is likely, and that's too much. To go for like a 1-to-1, that's insane, or 1-to-2 max. I'm a greedy man. I need that 1-to-3 here, at least. What entry will give me that? Yeah, right here. 137. If I don't get any confirmation to go lower, can't just blindly take it. We have the change of character. The confirmation already happened, so I'm just short from here. Like my concentration face in the morning is ridiculous. Okay. We're just bearish on the 1 minute. This will give me my best risk to reward, so if you come into here, one more push, I could take one sell there, but yeah, we'll see what happens, to be honest. Let's see what happens. Selling off aggressively, I ain't gonna lie. It's kind of crazy. But I am not taking 2 entries here. Did I miss my... We still have the 79.8 left on the discounted area. Did we tap it? I feel we have tapped it. My fears are alleviated now. Okay. Chances of making higher highs and taking out the higher high within the next week. Okay, let's see. When did they put on another high? So this was higher highs. These were higher highs right here. As we put in those higher highs, what did we do? Came back, discounted price, higher high. So we always get some sort of healthy retracement either to the 50% or lower after each high. So yeah, so we got this higher high again on Thursday. We came to the breakout liquidity. 50% or the breakout liquidity? Okay. If I short here, nah, I'm taking my shorts up here and then I could just get stopped. It's kind of crazy. Right now, I'm in shorts and NQ for 2 contracts. So essentially, I'm entered here. No, I'm entered at 24851, 24851, 75. So I'm entered right here. My stop is right here. I'm looking for that 1 to 3. Okay. Apparently I'm not taken out on my broker. Once I get taken out, that's when I'm gonna enter. My stops are, I guess, just literally 1 tick above where it just hit. prices come with a lot of bullish momentum. I don't even know if this shit is gonna hold. It's crazy. So I guess I'll be off with a small loss because I entered with smaller size. Shit ton of bullish momentum though, like especially on the hourly. If you look at the hourly here, look at this large ass candle. Do you think this zone is gonna be protected, even though it's all-time highs? It would be nice. It would be nice. See how the sellers hold this position. Buyers are very aggressive. Very, very aggressive. Fed Powell's. Oh yeah, we should check news. Yeah. What am I doing? $11:35. Powell speaks. Said red folder, but or high impact. So we got FOMC member William, FOMC members Mirren, Barkin, Hammock. Should be good. Should be fine. We're cleared for Tuesday. We're clear on Tuesday as well. No. 8:45 flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI. So after 8:45 should be good. So probably start the stream around 9 o'clock on this day. Fed tower. Okay. By 11 I should be done. My trade. And by 11 I'm off the chart. So whenever he speaks, I hope that puts our position into profit. Let's see if I got it stopped out here. Still on the trade. Yes, I am. Clinging, about it. I see. So on Tuesday. What the? Oh, that's AUD. Okay. From Tuesday 9 to 11 is when we will look for anything that presents itself. By 11:35, I'm out the market. So on Thursday we have final GDP quarter-over-quarter, employment claims. Is it the first week of no? So much news back to back. Okay, 7:30. So that's out of our time window. Okay, I got stopped on NQ. I'm worried whether to take this short here or not. Just based off this entire green candle, we're gonna play it safe. I'm gonna wait for the clearing because we could also clear this area. Went to other breakout liquidity, didn't get any sort of confirmation. Came into discounted pricing. We look for some sort of confirmation here, possibly even on the 5-minute. Might look for a structure on the 5-minute. If we can't get it, we can't get it. I'm not really looking to short NQ because it came into this discounted pricing. Slow down to this other broke that structure to go higher. So just on NQ, this 1 hour candle is freaking ridiculous. So I'm not really expecting any of this to hold. We'll see. We'll see. See what we do on NQ. Yes. Just selling there blindly is kind of stupid. I mean, I did get a confirmation, honestly. So, what am I really worried about? On NQ, nothing really. Shall not be fearful of the markets we enter once we see what we like. How do I get rid of this shit right here? Close fucking home. $130. Okay, price is, yeah, let's see. Let's just monitor this. Straight into drawdown, eh? That's insane. We're climbing out just a little bit. It's just a bearish candle, nothing crazy. It did its job by kind of nullifying all that buying power within that zone. That's insane. Let's monitor this on the 15 so it looks a little cleaner. See what happens. I entered at 2486 24. Damn, price is lingering right where I entered, so I can't really see. Okay, so I entered at 24,866.50. 24,866. Yeah, entered right here. And my stops are at 24,890, 24,890, 25. This is the position right here. And TP is at, let's see. Why is it doing that shit? There we go. TP is around, not around, but it's set at 247. 24793. $25.50. Why is it skipping? But anyway, set on my broker. Just monitor the 15-minute. We just got out of drawdown. See what we do here this morning. Let's see. My main target would be here. Actually, not full TP would be here. It's insane. Damn, you went to 10. I'll take my TP here. I went to 10. But 1 to 3 is like within this candle. I'm just marking my 1 to 3 here. Back and drawdown. I'll break even once we form structure. Let's see. I really needed to hold this high right now. This is a nice discount, premium pricing, so it's just that amount of volatility that we were coming into the zone is my only red flag for this trade, to be honest. Will that sink us or see what happens? Instead of sitting here and watching these marks go up and down, why don't you go and get around?
Yes, sir. Do you like some tea? Sure. Plenty of brain. Right. Sub-lieutenant, I've studied a fair amount of history. One thing I've learned, every society, two main schools of thought. There are those who believe there exists something more valuable in life, and those who believe
This zone just might get absolutely like destroyed. I don't know. Shit, not looking good, guys. Not looking good. Unfortunate. Deep in drawdown right now. Let's just see what we do. Hmm. Okay, we didn't really retrace that far. This is the whole leg. And we are almost stopped out on E and Q. So close. Like these stop losses be. Yeah, this is gonna stop me out here. Price is just like 40, not even 40. Stop loss is at 90, we're at 85, we're about like 5. All right. Hey, I guess my stop loss placement is just like insane. Oh, we swept the highs. Shit, so we did clear. Nice. We did clear this. I really hope we run instead of making another leg lower, but my stop loss is like one tick away. That's why you never place your stop loss directly at the high. You should definitely place it 2 ticks or so above it if you want to be a little bit safer. That's crazy. That just saved me. It's aggressive break-even protocols. I like that. I like the aggressiveness. We are pushing down rather aggressive, which is nice. It's good to see when you're trying to sell, of course. Let's keep that momentum going. I need that to run away from my entry as quick as possible. In your Just got stopped out and in queue. Alright. So yeah, took a L here, but I am still anticipating a short. I'm not gonna lie. Well, we are back into all-time highs territory on NQ. It's crazy. That's false. That's false. This is false. That's false. Yeah, no. It's not. Should I just use the hourly? You go ahead and tell your friends that you're leaving me. Just see me. They gon' see. You never gonna hear them talk the coldest story ever told. Somewhere far along the road, you lost your soul. Wonder what Corey's doing here. You go in and tell your friends that you're leaving. The coldest story ever told. So ever. Oh. So that's insane, man. I'm essentially looking for essentially this is what I'm looking for. This would be my breakout liquidity. Man, ES is just a lot cleaner than fucking NQ, to be honest. I'm just gonna follow the one that's like following my structure, you know what I mean? So we have the breakout liquidity. Set that here, 1 minute. Traded well above it. 15 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute. Yeah, this is not giving me anything. Gave us what we wanted, but no retracements within our zones. Took out at an hour before our time window. This is my breakout liquidity, and this is my clearing, because I'm counting this as a decent retracement and then the pull. And Q is just rallying since fucking up to this breakup structure. It's been rallying since Thursday last week. Okay. So we have this, I guess we can classify this as a push. We have this breakup structure, breakout liquidity, discounted pricing, cleared. We'll see what we did. We took out the breakout liquidity. Let's see if I can follow 5 minute structure. We're gonna get some sort of confirmation. Okay. Let's call this right here. Let's call this BOS. This sweep right here. I'm gonna take the zone that swept liquidity as my target zone. That's actually insane restore right here. If I can get a pullback. And also just cover the lows. So that's good stop loss placement. I really like this. If you get a retracement on ES, I'm taking this right here. Yep. I must have put in equal highs here, come down into here so we can go higher. Still looking to short NQ down to this breakout liquidity level. Because I'm not seeing any of my models playing out an NQ right now. The high that was created last Tuesday is what I want to see taken out. I mean, we got that taken out. He was supposed to come for the breakout liquidity, go higher. But we didn't, so we just started rallying higher. We got the breakout liquidity on ES. rallying like crazy. Alright, I guess I'll just look for my confirmation on the M15 for sells on NQ. And then yeah, this rally is actually ridiculous. My god. Not coming back, eh? No return. Yeah, deleting this alert right here. It's just what I see. Keep it clean. We are down. I took one small loss. We are down another. So our losses are in good range right now. I think that's all I want to lose today. So I'm not really going to be placing any trades, any more trades today. Not much trading ideas shown. NQ got this one push, two pushes low on the overnight. Thought price would come into one of these discounted pricings, but we cleared this high here. And now I'm looking for price to form structure to give me bearish signs, but in another hour, I doubt that's going to create that much. So I'll just keep this monitored until 11, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Calm stream today. Just gonna monitor for the next hour, and yeah. These are solid losses I'm taking. I think my max loss in a day is, yeah. That is a good that's a good range to be in, not gonna lie. How have I taken 4 trades already? I did not. Does it include contracts? Let's see, is that what they're doing? But yeah, guys, this is just going on